Hi there! I've got a great tool to show you today. Introducing the USAG U05161628 Start Roller Cabinet with Maintenance Assortment 495 MB/hours. This cabinet features a worktop crafted from high-resistant ABS, complete with built-in 15mm edges to keep your tools secure during transport. Each drawer can hold 3 modules, and the oil-proof rubber mats inside ensure everything stays in place. Experience unmatched maneuverability with the double transport handle and oil-proof rubber wheels, 2 fixed and 2 swiveling, 1 with a brake. This USAG roller cabinet can support a maximum loading capacity of 800 kilograms. Get organized and take your work to the next level with the USAG U05161628 with a maintenance assortment of 156 pieces.
MisterWorker. Work tools for professionals.